Today's learning is farm animals habitat. We have already watched video on farm animals. The link is given in the description box. Do you know what is the difference between habitats and homes?
No.
No worries. The difference between habitat and home is a habitat is an area occupied by many species, while a home is a place within a habitat where a particular animal species can protect itself and its young from the weather and predators. Cows. Cows mainly live in farms. Within farms, cows have designated spaces such as cow sheds or barns where they live. Hens. Hens are usually found on a farm. They stay in a coop that has shells for them to lay eggs on and a fenced on yard to play in. Sheep. Sheep live all over the world in areas that have grass for the sheep to graze. Pig. Pigs are adaptable animals that can live anywhere. They make themselves comfortable in both warm and hot climate. Goat. Goats live in and around most common farm outbuildings such as barns or shelters. Ducks. Ducks live in ponds, lakes, and marshy or swampy areas. Horses. Wild horses live on steppes and open grasslands, while the domesticated horses are found all around the world and as such no longer has a true habitat. Turkey. Turkey lives in grasslands and swamps. Rabbit. Rabbit lives in meadows, woods, forests, grasslands, deserts, and wetlands. Goose. Goose lives near the freshwater rivers, lakes, ponds, and streams of Europe, Asia, and North America. Emu. Emus live in woodlands, scrublands, grasslands, and forests. Ostrich. Ostrich lives in the driest zones of Africa. It can travel long distances for food and water. Donkey. Wild donkeys called burros live in desert plains where they survive on little food and water for long periods. Wild domestic donkeys are found around the world. Quail. Quails live in woodlands, croplands, and open spaces that are covered with bushes such as grasslands and farmlands.
Thank you so much for giving such a valuable information.
See you in the next video. Bye. Please like, share, and subscribe.